Hi guys, welcome to this SteelSeries Apex gaming keyboard review. This is the gaming keyboard I've been using for a couple of months now and I'm really happy about. As you can see, you can change the color of the keyboards. You may see this right on here. But I'm not gonna stay long on the box because looking at the box is really boring and you just want to see the keyboard itself. So let's get straight into it. So this is the keyboard itself. It does look really good if you want to look at it. So this is the keyboard. As you can see, you have a big numpad right here, a big spacebar right here. You have your layer keys right here. You have some macro keys up here, macro keys up here. Above your function keys you have a big escape button, really big actually, it's so big. Then your big spacebar, as I told you, it's really big, it's like this now. So you can rest it like your thumb really low and it does still work really well. Then you have your direction keys with some extra diagonal direction key that does work on some games. And then on the right hand side you have your music play buttons. That does work for me on Spotify. You can change every color on 5 different zones, so you can change your color here, like this side. Then you can change your color right here on the function and macro keys right here. Then you can change the color of this keyboard itself. You can change the color of these direction keys with your Windows keys and print screen, screen lock and pause with your numpad and music play buttons. And you can change the SteelSeries logo with the color on the side. For the rest, it just looks a really good keyboard and it does sound really good. So this is the keyboard itself, and I'm gonna go over the SteelSeries Engine for now, what I'm using for my games and how it's using some functions. Hi guys, I'm here in the SteelSeries Engine 3 software. So I'm gonna press my Apex and a little pop-up will come on. So in here you can change everything. You can look on the macro key zone, function key zone, standard, etc. Even though if you want to change like one key and you don't want to search it, you just press the key and then you do quick record, symbols, typing modes. You can change everything. You can do it play once, end times, repeat while pressed, auto repeat or toggle hold. So normally it's play once, and then you can do play on the key is pressed down or up. So it's not that hard to understand. So you also have the macro key launcher. I do not use macro. I only use this for the letter L, and that is for to check runes in a game in Dota. So if you, for example, want to change this section from color, you press this and then you can change it to like red or something. I just let blue, so this easiest thing. You can also change this, what I'm doing. It does a cycle through the colors for me. So you go under effects, normally it's on steady. So you go on an effects color shift and then you press this for me. And this will shift through all the different colors that are shown here. Then you press close and save. So it's not that hard to understand. Here you have the config of all the layers you're using. I'm just using layer 2. And then you have the global illumination. This is like if you want to make your keyboard dark or really light. I like it's really light because if you play in the dark you can see your keyboard really well. Then you have your polling rate, just max it out, it's the easiest. And then you have your keyboard region. Mine is on Belgium because I live in Belgium, and Belgians have a weird keyboard of a ZERTY with some all random keys everywhere. So yeah, this is just the software, not much to talk about. I hope you understand something what I said. It isn't that hard to understand. So I hope you guys will have fun with your SteelSeries Apex gaming keyboard, and I may see you guys soon again in another review. Thanks for watching.